Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you would like to delete all of your posts on Facebook and you're wondering how to do so, today in this video we will be guiding you step by step. So without any delay, let's just get started. Start by opening up the Facebook application for that. And once you open up Facebook, it is pretty easy if you want to delete your posts. So for that, you can go over in the card for the search at the top of your screen and tap on it. Once you tap on it, here, this is the page here. So you need to search for books. And once you search for books, you will be finding the feature of Facebook books. So at the very top, you can find the search. So tap on it. And once you tap on it, this is where you will be getting all of your books history. So if you have poked someone or if any of your friends have poked you here, you will be getting the notification and everything. Now, in order to delete all of your pokes, it is simple. You just need to go over and dismiss a poke from a friend. So you can go over and find the person that you want to stop poking or who keeps poking you. You can hold up your friend that you want to do so. After that, here you will be finding two options called view profile and dismiss the poke. You need to select the option called dismiss poke and confirm it up. Confirm this one, dismiss. And once you confirm it up, you will be finding the notification saying the pokes has been dismissed. So you can go over and do so. You can also sometimes undo a poke. So once you poke a friend, you'll be directly finding the option undo, tap on it. It should be within some seconds, and after you do so, you can just go over and complete it up. You can undo the poke before they receive it. That way they won't be getting any kind of notifications. And that is it. And we cannot do it in bulk. You need to go over and do it one by one. So you may follow up these steps for that. And also do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.